Hello girls, I am Tanu Shrestha. Today we will discuss the exercise of chapter 1. Solve exercise of chapter 1. Fill in the blanks. DAS is a computer network created for an individual person, that is PAN. DAS system allows us to talk to any person in the world at any time. Communication system. A computer network enables two or more computers to share dash and hardware dash share data and hardware resources. In a network, modification or upgradation of the software or data is done at a single point. The computer that communicate with each other called nodes. A network maintain a network main a net a network maintained without using wires called wireless networking. DAS and DAS are different types of networking, LAN and MAN. Network DAS refers to the layout in which various components of a network are connected and communicate with each other. Network topology. True and false. Nodes and servers have same function. False. Wireless stands for wireless fidelity. True. Network cards are used to physically attach a computer with a network. False. WAN stands for wide area network. True. In client server network there is no central server. False. Ethernet refers to a computer network extranet refers to a computer network restricted to an organization. False. It will be true. It will be true. In star topology, all the nodes in the network are connected in a circular manner. MCQ. What is the most commonly used network card? Ethernet network card. The DAS are the certain set of rules that determine how data should be transferred within network protocol. What do you call the computers that are connected to the server? Client. DAS security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. Network. DAS connects a device DAS is a device that connects wireless communication devices to form a wireless network, that is WAP. Which network among the following requires a single communication line or one main cable? That is the bus topology. Answer the following. What is networking? Give some relevant examples. A computer network can be defined as a group of computers and the peripheral devices that are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware resources. Each computer in a network is called a node. The computers in a network are linked through cables, telephone lines, radio waves or infrared light beams. A printer in a network, example we can see, a printer in a network, so all the computers in the network can access printer and use it to print the document. Differentiate between LAN and WAN. LAN stands for local area network. WAN stands for wide area network. LAN is used for short distance. WAN is used for long distance. We can connect limited number of computers in LAN, but any number of computers can be connected in WAN. In LAN, computers are connected through wires, but in WAN, computers are connected without wires. What do you understand by the term network security? Network security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. Only authorized person can access the data. What do you understand by the term network topology? You can see this from the video. Differentiate between peer-to-peer network or the client-server network. In the client-server network, we can see there is central computer which provides services to the connected computers. Peer-to-peer network, there is no central computer. These are connected to each other. In the client server, in this network, computers can communicate through server. In peer-to-peer network, in this network, computers can communicate independently. WAP. WAP stands for wireless access point. It is used to establish wireless network. Star topology. In star topology, each device is connected to a central computer called hub. Using a point-to-point connection, it is just like a set-top box. Server. A server is a computer that provides services to the client and control the access to hardware, software, and other resources. Nodes. A node is any device that is connected to the network. Any device connected to the network. Hub. Hub is a device that connects all the network devices to the server computer.